Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers, and on this day in 2010, the holiday short, Operation Secret Santa, a prep and landing stocking stuffer, debuted on ABC. It was a sequel to 2009's Prep and Landing. We catch up with Wayne and Lanny on a secret mission from Mrs. Claus, who was voiced by Betty White. The elves have been tasked to breaking into Santa's hidden workshop to retrieve a sentimental item that becomes a gift for the big man himself. The 7-minute short ran alongside the original special and Tiny's Big Adventure, and it was released 15 years ago today. Did you see it? Did you love it? I thought it was pretty fun. Anyway, have a magical day.